Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Okay my dear student, today is lecture number 45 and there is no SW today. And our today's topic name exercise 11. From exercise 11 we shall solve question number 10 and 11. 10 and 11. I have already written both question on the board. At first we shall solve question number 10. Here you notice a table is given below. Find the arithmetic mean, draw the histogram of the data. That means a table is given, this table is given. By using this table, at first we find out the arithmetic mean, and after that we using this table we draw the histogram. Okay, so an 11 number question is find the arithmetic mean from the table. Here daily income is eto, frequency is 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3. Okay, by using this table we shall find out the arithmetic mean. Okay, now at first we solve question number 10. Okay, in order to find out the arithmetic mean by using this table, at first we find the frequency distribution table. Here class, then we find out the mid value of the class. After that we write frequency, then we multiply mid value with frequency, mid value with frequency. So here class interval is 6 to 10, 6 to 10, then 11 to 15, then 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 41 to 45. And now we find out the mid value of each class. 6 to 10, this mid value is, at first we add 6 with 10, then we get 16. 16 divided by 2, we get 8. So mid value of this class is 8. And 11 is multiplied with 15 and we get 26. If we divide this 26 by 2, we get 13. Then 16, 20, we get 18. Mid value of this class is 23. Similar way, 28, 33, 38, 43. Okay. In this class, frequency is 5, right? 5, then 17, 17, then 30, 30, then 38, 38, then 35, 35, 10, 10, 7, 7, 3, 3. Okay, I hope you have understood. Next, mid value multiply frequency. That means we do multiply of this one and this one. 8 4s are 40. 13 is multiplied with 70, we get 221. 18 is multiplied 30, we get 540. 23 is multiplied 38, we get 874. 28 multiplied 35, we get 920. 33 multiplied 10, we get 330. 38 multiplied 7, we get 266. 43 multiplied by 3, we get 129. Okay, frequency, that means we do addition of this number and we get n equal to 145. We do addition of this number and we get 3380. Now required mean equal to summation of f I x I divided by n. Here summation of f I x I is 3380 and n equal to 145. We divide 3380 by 145, we get 23.31, and this 23.31 is the required answer of this first part of question number 10. Okay, next by using this table we shall find out the we draw the histogram. Okay, in order to draw the histogram, first of all you notice 6 to 10, class interval is 6 to 10 and 11 to 15. So there is a gap, that means it start from 6 and last 10. Here it start from 11, it get 15. So there is a gap number which is obstacle to draw the histogram. So in order to solve that problem, at first we make a distribution table in order to find out the continuous class interval. Here you notice 6 to 10. So in order to find out the continuous class interval, we subtract 0.5 from the first point and then add 0.5 with the last number. If we subtract 0.5 from 6, we get 5.5. If we add 0.5 with 10, then we get 10.5. Then 10.5 minus 15.5, 15.5 to 20.5, 21.5 to 25.5, 25.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 35.5, 35.5 to 40.5, and 40.5 to 45.5. And in this class, frequencies unchanged, which are 5, 17, 30, 38, 35, 10, 7 and 3. My dear student, it is in our previous class we have already learned how to draw frequency, how to draw histogram. So at first we take a graph paper of xy plane. This is x and y plane. Okay, here x or x prime is x axis and y or y prime is y axis. They intersect at the point O. They intersect at the point O. Here I write O. They intersect at the point O. Along x axis we take 1 square equal to 1 unit, and along y axis we take 1 square equal to 1 unit. Then along x axis we take class interval, and along y axis we take frequencies. Then continuous class interval and their respective frequencies of given data are plotted, and we draw the histogram. The following histogram is drawn below. Dear student, notice this is x o x prime, y o y prime. Along x and y both axes we take 1 small square equal to 1 unit. Along x axis we take class interval, and along y axis we take frequency. Now we plot the continuous class interval along x axis and plot frequency along y axis. Then we draw the histogram. Here you notice there is a breaking sign, which indicates that from this 0 to 5.5 there is 0 to 5.5 numbers are hidden. Okay, so if you don't write this broken sign, then it starts from 5.5, which is difficult to draw. Okay, so you take this breaking sign for making it 5.5 in exactly the point of 5. Okay, so 5, 5.5, 10.5, 15.5, 20.5, 25.5, 30.5, 35.5, 40.5, 45.5. Okay, then this interval the frequency is 5, so first draw this one, then 10.5 this on 17. In this interval the frequency is 30, in this interval the frequency is 38, in this interval the frequency is 35, in this interval the frequency is 10, in this interval the frequency is 7, in this interval the frequency is 3. Okay, my dear student, this is the histogram. Now we shall solve question number 11, and it is a frequency table is constructed below with the given data. That is, notice, find the arithmetic mean from the table. This table, by using this table we shall find out the arithmetic mean. Here daily income in Taka xi, which is 2210, 2215, 2220, 2225, 2230, 2235, 2240, 2245, 2250. In frequencies 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3. So we multiply this one and this one with this one. So 2210 is multiplied with 2 and we get this number, that means 4420. Similar way, we multiply 2215 by 3, we get 6645. Similar way, we multiply this number with this number and we get this number. This one we get this. This one we get this. Multiply this one we get this. Multiply this one with this one, we get this. Multiply this one with this one, then we get this. Multiply this one with this one, then we get this. After that we do addition. That means we do addition of frequency and we get n equal to 40. And we do addition of fi xi, that means summation of fi xi, we get 89,225. And formula of arithmetic mean equal to summation of fi divided by summation of fi, or n. So here summation of fi xi is 89,225 and summation of fi, that means total number of frequency is n, which is 40. We divide this number by 40 and we get 2230.63, and it is the answer of this question. It is so easy math. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.